And new on Wake Up, after that fatal shooting, gun experts are offering tips on how to safely use a firearm. One safety instructor saying one of the top rules is to always make sure the weapon is not loaded when handed to you.
They still put out pressure. So you have to watch it. You know, if it's because you got a blank, doesn't mean the gun is safe. Always point the gun. You should never point a gun at anybody for any reason unless it's a personal defense situation.
He says if you don't know how to safely handle a firearm, the best thing you can do is take a safety class. That way you can be prepared if you ever do find yourself with one.